if you have a YouTube channel that you wanted to do for a while, this is a sign. In fact, this is a sign because I wanted to make a YouTube channel ever since I was a teenager, like 15, 16. For context, I'm 31. Hi, I'm Yinka and I'm a filmmaker, and I run a film production company called Fimu. It is based in Lagos, Nigeria, and for the last half decade or a little bit more, I have been making documentary film and some other types of film in my practice. For the fact that you're watching this video or you stumbled on this video with the title of How to Grow a Successful YouTube Channel, it means you have not grown a YouTube channel. So you're probably wondering, you're looking at the title and you're saying to yourself, how on earth is she qualified to tell me how to grow a YouTube channel? The answer to that question is very simple. Counterintuitively, I think that I am the most qualified to tell you how to grow a successful YouTube channel because I have little to no experience in how to grow a successful YouTube channel. There's a kind of disconnect that I feel whenever I watch somebody who has like 1 million subscribers tell me how to get 1 million subscribers. It's like somebody in the fitness industry with six packs saying like, hey, this is how you get a six pack. Meanwhile, you look down at your body and you've got like a pot belly sticking out and you're like, how do I turn this into a six pack? The journey just seems so long and so impossible. But when you're starting off with somebody who is also starting from square one, this is literally square one for me, it gives you a different perspective. And so I volunteer, like Katniss Everdeen, to put myself forward and walk through the process of creating a YouTube channel from scratch. It's a way to keep me consistent, but then also it's a way to sort of like show that the process works, if it actually works. I will be talking about the things that I will be doing as I am doing them, and I invite you to obviously like join along. Like if you have a YouTube channel that you wanted to do for a while, this is a sign. In fact, this is a sign because I wanted to make a YouTube channel ever since I was a teenager, like 15, 16. For context, I'm 31. Procrastination can take years and years and years away from your life just waiting to do something. And YouTube is a channel, a platform that I have been the most afraid of for some reason. It feels like I'm throwing myself into like the big wide world out there and opening up myself for scrutiny. And so I'm very scared in some ways. There's so many YouTube channels out there already. Why even bother throwing your hat in the ring? There are people with millions of subscribers, there's hundreds of thousands of YouTube channels. How are people even gonna find you? There's no point. Well, here I am. Let's see what happens. Thank you for watching my very first YouTube video. I'm really excited to start on this journey with whoever is here right now. If you like this video, please like, and if you're interested in following this journey, please subscribe. I will keep you updated and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.